Hello and welcome. In this video we will show a nice quality of life improvement of the RStudio environment, and that is changing the color scheme, especially if you work with a computer screen for a longer time. Personally, for me, a darker color scheme is much more preferable. So you can do this really easily by going to these tools here. That is in the top menu. Then you go for global options, and here you have actually a lot of things you can change. And here we go for appearance, I believe. Yes, and then it's the editor theme is here. So you can well, choose from many options. Well, just out of curiosity, what is chaos? Oh, it's actually not so bad even. Well, not my favorite, but anyway, so you have a sneak peek how things look like. My personal favorite is Tomorrow Night 80s. Yeah, this is what I like. Yes, click apply and OK, and then everything is done. So let me know which one is your favorite in terms of color schemes, and well, happy changing and adapting the RStudio interface to your liking. This was a short video. I hope to like it. Certainly, I think this is a very useful thing to have. And anyway, so nothing remains on my side than to thank you for your time and wish you a really nice day.